Well. Jason Shepard, the young man from Greenbury, Michigan. I must tell you, this is quite a surprise. What can I do for you, amigo? Oh, your dad? Why? You traveled halfway across the country to get me to call your dad and tell him you did your homework? Okay. Yep. It's a great piece of work, kid. And I'm not just blowing smoke. I refer back to it whenever I get in a bind on the script. Hey. Smoke cigars, hotshot? All right, suit yourself. Jason Shepard of Greenbury, Michigan. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Hold on. Help is on the way. Stand back. Oh. We play by our own rules.